Today we're putting together the outdoor furniture set. It's what everyone needs on your deck in your backyard, and I'm going to show you how to do it. But we only have 1 hour to get this done. It's getting late, we got to eat, we got to go to sleep. So let's see if we can do it. Let's go. This is from Pamapic, and it is a patio dining table. I'll put the link in the bio and the photo on the screen so you know which one it is. A little bag of goodies for all the stuff, however you open this up. Oh, it does come with the hex. Nice, all the stuff here. Put on the 4 legs first, not too bad. Just 2 screws in each and 2 washers. And then we have the circle thing here. This guy, and it's basically the same process, 2 screws in each leg. Alright, we got 2 there, 2 over there, 2 here, 2 here. And we got 2, and there's washers on all these. 2 washers on all these as well. 2. And there's a lot of mosquitoes out, so it's a little bit crazy, but I think we're going good on time. Alright, there we go. Table done. And now we're gonna do the chairs over there. Okay, so here's a part that was confusing to me. They have this back part, which is this piece here, and that goes into the back of the chair, or the bottom of the chair, I think it is. But anyways, here, like this. So they have this piece, and then it's telling you to put this piece in. But this looks welded, but it's not. So, directions here. It's supposed to be sitting like that. So that's not welded, but it looks welded on here, if that makes sense. So don't take apart these things. Leave them together and then use the other parts to put on here. So we would take this little guy, put it on, and there's one that goes under. So we have underneath, then the bar. So we got one of these underneath, bar, this one, and then this here goes on top. The nuts would go on top of that. So I'm gonna put it together and then show you. So 1 down, 1 on top, and that thing goes there. Sorry, it's not a good shot. Then we're doing the small washer, the big washer, and then the nut goes on top of there. 2 of these guys, 1, 2, this piece, then 2 washers, then the nut. We got this in. I hope it's correct, but I definitely recommend getting tools, drill. It's gonna take you forever. So the little tools they give you, these 2 things, pretty much impossible to do with these. So get some real tools. It'll save you a lot of headache. All right, we're gonna put the back side onto the bottom side because this is the bottom. For the arms here, it's basically the same as the back. So we got screw there, a screw, and a washer. And then on the arms here, we also have underneath, there's screw, washer for both of them. And so that's how both of them are set up. Just a quick note on the process of this. You do the bottom of the chair, and then you put that metal piece that I went over earlier that was confusing. And then you do the arms, and then you do the back of it. And then you put the whole chair on the top of the bottom base. Zeke, you try?
Whoa.
Zeke, try to sit in it, or I'm gonna move on, buddy.
Bouncy.
I'm gonna try to get that other chair down.
Ooh,
Yeah. I guess it's supposed to wobble a little bit. Oh, that's why it's built like that. Nice. That's good. I like that. Okay, we got this last chair to do. Hoping it doesn't take that long. My fingers hurt. It's like 6:30, so I don't know how long it's been, but it hasn't been too bad. So I'm gonna do that, and then, yeah, let you know. Alrighty, it's been a few weeks since we put the chairs and the table together, and we got a little review. Alright, so now we got the 4 set up. I just put the other 2 together, but we have these 2 set up. What do we think?
I think it's perfect. Yeah, super comfortable, can lounge. It's cute, but it's also like durable, so it's not going to get ruined because of the rain and stuff.
Yeah, that's pretty much what I would have to say too. Like I said, we had breakfast out here multiple days. We sit out here every day, I guess.
Yeah.
We sit out here every day?
I think so, most days.
I think so. And yeah, it's a good height. The kids sit here sometimes. Overall, would recommend. Putting it together, not too bad. What do you think?
Not too shabby.
She didn't do anything.
I just made sure mosquitoes didn't attack me.
Attack you or attack me?
Attack me.
Yeah, because they were getting me. But yeah, that's about it. The table and the link is going to be in the description. You can go grab one, snag it for your outdoor patio or whatever. And thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe. See y'all next video. Toodaloo.